viewers, thank you for joining my channel today, and today I am going to share another one of my recipes with you today. So today I am making pizza bread. So come on in, let me show you the ingredients that we need today, and we're going to start off with bread. Just simple bread from your nearest market. We're going to need some cheese. We're going to use some mushrooms. We're going to use some spinach. And we are going to use some Italian sweet sausages, which was already pre-made with some paprika, some onion powder, garlic powder, basil, and chive in Italian seasoning. And we are going to use some tomato sauce. We're also going to add some pepperoni. So let's get started. So we're going to take our bread, and we're just going to make a couple tonight. We're going to slice these in half. We're going to pull them apart. And then we are going to add first the tomato basil. We're just going to spread it right on top of the bread. Spread it out evenly. You can add more if you like, and we're going to go ahead and do the other one. Spread the sauce out. A little bit more on there. Once we have the sauce spreaded on our bread, we're going to go ahead and top it off with some cheese. I'm going to put the cheese on first. Cheddar cheese, you can use any cheese of your choice. Spread it out. We're going to go ahead and add some spinach. Just like that. We're going to go ahead and add some mushrooms. We're going to go ahead and add some of the meat. It's already pre-cooked, sweet Italian, full of flavor. This takes no time, a very simple recipe with just a few ingredients. And now that we have all of our ingredients on here, we're going to top it off with just a little bit more of cheese. So this is what they're looking like. This is already pre-prepped. So we're going to grab a pan, put these on here. Set these on. in the oven. Pop them in the oven just like that. Looks amazing, right? Very simple. Tomato, basil, cheese, Italian sausages, mushrooms, and spinach. So let's pop this in the oven. We'll give it a good 5 or 6 minutes. Everything is already basically cooked, so we're just going to mend it together so that all of that cheese and the ingredients just melt together. So let's go ahead and pop this in the oven. Looks amazing. Alright, so since we got that in the oven, I'm going to add a pizza with it as well. So we're just going to do a square pizza. We're going to start off with the base, which is our tomato base. Just going to spread that out nice and evenly. Just going to use the remaining of the tomato, basil sauce that we have here. Let's just smooth that out. Very quick and easy menu. Doesn't take a lot of time. Doesn't take a lot of ingredients. And you want to also preheat your oven while you're putting everything together. So once your pizza bread hits the oven, your pizza is already preheated. And it makes it just cooks much faster. So now that we have the sauce on here, we're going to go ahead and start our toppings. We want to start off with some cheese. Spinach. Okay, now that we got the spinach on the pizza, we want to go ahead and add some mushrooms. Okay, and now that we have the mushrooms on, the cheese on, the spinach, we're going to go ahead and add the already pre-cooked Italian sausages. That looks amazing. And just a little bit more there. And on this one, you're going to add some pepperoni. You can never go wrong with pepperoni. It has a very flavorful taste. Let's just go ahead. Just add our pepperoni onto here. Okay, look amazing. So we're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven, and this is our finished result for our square pizza. Very basic, very simple, doesn't take long to do. We're already 10 minutes into the video, and we did a pizza and 2 bread pieces. So on here we have tomato basil, the spinach, the mushrooms, the pepperoni, the Italian meat. Let's go ahead and pop this in the oven. I already have one in there that's already cooking, so I'm going to just pop that one out so that you guys can see the finished result. So let me pull it in a little bit closer so that you can see this baby here. It's amazing. It smells amazing. So let's put her in the oven and we'll pop out the other one. Okay, so guys, this is our finished result. So this is our square pizza that we made. This is one that was already pre-made before. And this is our pizza bread. Looks amazing, full of flavor, beautiful colors. Got your mushrooms, your spinach, your Italian sausages, your pepperoni. So thank you guys for tuning in today. Please like and share the video. I am Miss Shim, owner of Shimmer Elegance, where we provide women's wigs, accessories for women. Our website is shimmerelegance.com.